Welcome to RoofingMdVa. We specialize in residential and commercial roof repair. Has your roofing siding or gutters unfortunately been damaged in a recent storm? Are they simply old and deteriorating? Then it may be time to replace them. Our goal at RoofingMdVa is to provide you with a cost-effective and customized solution that is right for your repair or replacement needs. We offer only the best products at fair prices. Moreover, we offer information to you, the homeowner, so that you can make the best decisions about your home needs. We only install products that will provide decades of protection for local homeowners. A few of the products we offer include asphalt shingle roofing from Owens Corning and CertainTeed, as well as vinyl siding from Mastic by Ply Gem and seamless gutters made to the exact dimensions of our customers' homes. Call RoofingMdVa today for a free consultation at 240-949-4998.